According to a report by Deadline, Amazon isn't relying on the just-launched Wheel of Time series and its upcoming Lord of the Rings show to pull in sci-fi fantasy viewers. The entertainment news outlet reports that Amazon is nearing a deal to develop a series based on the Mass Effect games. Related, Amazon's Wheel of Time tries a little too hard to be Game of Thrones. Amazon's Lord of the Rings series will premiere in September 2022. While Electronic Arts and BioWare have not announced a series, there have been more than a few hints. Earlier this year, the project director for EA's remastered Mass Effect Legendary Edition trilogy set told Business Insider that it's not a matter of if but when a movie or TV show project appears relating to the game. There was also that interesting Instagram post in February from Henry Cavill, who may want to add male Commander Shepard to his geeky resume along with Superman and Geralt from The Witcher. The actor posted an easily de-blurred image hinting at a secret project, and internet sleuths figured out it was actually a printout of the Wikipedia entry for Mass Effect 3. Any other details like how this could tie in with a new game in the series are unclear, even if some people like this very imaginative wiki editor already have fan casting done in their head. Well, there's one safe guess I can make, it's probably not going to be based on Mass Effect Andromeda.